In your touch-up kit, you should receive 2 containers that look like this. You're gonna mix the entire contents together into one container. When you're done combining them, you wanna make sure that it's completely mixed till it's one solid consistency. That usually takes about 45 seconds. You wanna take really small subsections. I'm using the popsicle stick that it comes with to actually section the hair off. Applying to both sides and then sectioning again. About 1 centimeter of a subsection. When you apply, you want to make sure that you keep the color off of your hairline. If some does get on your hairline, that's okay. Take a towel and gently wipe it off. If the color sets on too long, it will stain your scalp. Now that you've fully applied, you want to set a timer for 35 minutes. You want to go back and make sure you clean up your hairline. I normally like to clip the hair back out of the face. That way it's not falling down. We have neat precision color. Any area that's not covered, you want to make sure that you go back and brush on a little bit more color so that it's fully saturated. So if you notice, I kept the color primarily on the new growth. And the reason I do this is if you have highlights, you want to make sure that you're not overlapping and covering your highlight completely. So we're just doing the new growth and only the perimeter. So I would not go that far back beyond the ear. So this is kind of where you want your color application to be. And it's designed so that when you pull your hair back or when you part your hair, you will have pretty much gray coverage and your new growth will be covered. One thing I didn't do in the earlier part of the video was apply the color back here. So if you part deeply, you're gonna make sure that you part wherever your color, wherever you need to part, that's where the color is gonna be applied.